Hello viewers, welcome to our another video. Today in this video, I will be show you how to install H4X open source OSINT toolkit on Kali Linux machine. So let's started. First you need to open your terminal and type update on your system. After that process will be complete, then type to upgrade on your system. Then type to open the Firefox on your terminal. After that Firefox will be open, then search it, H4X GitHub. Here it is, the fast website on this tools. H4X-Tools is an open source OSINT toolkit. Here is some categories on this tool. Here is some tool name and description. There are many helpful tools inside there, you can see that. The installation process is given below. On this tools give Fabrato. Here are the installation processes for 2 operating systems. You can see the processes if you want. Since I'm using Linux, I'll install a copy of Linux on this tools. To install, I open my Kali Linux terminal and paste the copied code. After that process will be complete, then go to this tools directory. And type to this command, to install on this tools, on Kali Linux machine. The installation process of this software is a bit long, so try to be patient. Our software has been successfully installed on the Kali Linux machine. There are different types of software that we can use for different purposes. For cybersecurity, the first tools I will use is called phone lookup. I am using a temp number for my phone number. With this software I will analyze the phone number and see where it is located. This software gave me all the information about this number. Now I will try with another number to find out the information. He gave me the information about this number, which is a very important thing for cybersecurity. Now I run another tool to see how this software is working. The name of the tool is username search. He also gave me a lot of information with the help of these tools. We will use the next tool now, which is called Whois lookup. Here too, I can see that our tool is working properly, and is giving me the correct information. Our next tool is called Fake Info Generator. Let's see what results he gives us. I can see here that he has generated some information for me. Our next tool is called Web Search. Let's see what kind of results he shows me. He gave me links to all kinds of websites that are on the internet. Our next tool is called Web Scraping. Let's see his activity. Here it is the result. Our latest tool is called Basics, so let's see how it works. We saw that our latest tool also works respectively. If you like this video, then be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon next to it so that you will be the first to receive notifications when I post new videos.